Hello, and welcome to the Research and Development Lab here at Fold-A-Cover. Today, we're going to be adjusting the latch timing on this Fold-A-Cover G4 Elite tonneau cover. The first step in the process is to test the latch timing. Do this by opening the panel to a 45-degree angle and manually closing both latches by hand. Then, very slowly lift on the release handle. If timed correctly, both latches should release simultaneously approximately halfway through the motion of the release handle. As we heard, the latches were not timed correctly. Repeat the first step a few times and take note of which latches were early and which one was late so that you can make adjustments later. Now that we've determined which latches need to be adjusted and how, it's time to adjust the timing of the latch. Using a 9mm wrench, loosen the jam nut, then rotate the hex nut end of the latch cable clockwise to release earlier and counterclockwise to release later. You do not need to secure the jam nut in order to test the timing. Simply make your adjustments by rotating the barrel nut counterclockwise or clockwise, then test the timing. Once the timing is all set, secure the jam nut to complete the process. When it's time to tighten the jam nut, use a 7/32 wrench to hold the hex nut end of the latch cable in place. And now that the jam nut's secured, this panel is all set. Repeat the process for the opposite panel, and your Fold-A-Cover is good to go. Thanks for joining us here at Fold-A-Cover. Have a great day.